Going on, y'all? We're back out at the lake. Oh, fish are jumping over there. Oh, they're carp. See that? We're back at the lake and we're gonna do another fishing adventure, kayak fishing adventure. Already got the kayak stuff down. Just gotta pump it up, but should be a fun day. We're gonna be throwing some chatterbaits, spinnerbaits, maybe even get a little frog action if we're lucky. Just gotta pump up the kayak and then we're gonna get out there and hopefully we'll catch some fish. So let's pump up the kayak. There we go. She's ready. There we go. There we go. Got the fin on. Let's drag her in the water now, I guess. She's in the water. I'm just gonna put the seat on and get the rods in, the bag in, and then we're gonna get out there. So I'll see you guys when I'm on the water. There we go. One nice look at the lake. For some reason, the kayak already feels like it's deflating. So hopefully we don't sink out there, but let's get out there. I think I'm gonna head over that way first, and then I'll go over there and try that spot. But yeah, we're gonna head over there. Hopefully it'll be good. We'll see though. Oh, got one, y'all. Right under the kayak. Oh, y'all, it's a little one. It's not one to write home about, but a fish is a fish. There she is. Nice little guy. Oh, there she goes. All right, got him on the chatterbait. Let's see if we can get another one. Oh yeah, y'all. There we go. Fish out. It's like swimming at me. What's he doing? Okay. Well, another baby. Little guy, y'all. Little guy. He hit hard. But sadly, another little guy. There he goes. Another one, y'all. Another one. Oh, maybe a little better. Maybe a little better. Yeah, might be a little better, y'all. Oh yeah. I mean, not much better, but a little better. Got him. There he is, y'all. Well, this one's about a 1 pounder. The other ones were half pounds, so it's an upgrade. All right, let's get a release. Nice release. All right, not bad. That was pretty close to the other one. Maybe they're stacked up over here. Let's keep casting around. Oh shoot, y'all. Man, oh man. They are really stacked up right here. They're not big ones, but they're good fun. Good fun and good fighters. Good fun and good fighters. All right, let's get them up here. There we go. Get the hook out of you. Okay. Well, this one's a little smaller. This one's about maybe a half pounder if on a good day, but still a fun fighter. Oh, there she goes. All right, let's see if we can get another one. Oh, shoot. Oh, whoa. Y'all, look, a whole bunch of little bass fry right there. Can you see that? Maybe that's why they're all over here. They're all guarding their fry, or hunting the fry. I can hear a big hole in my kayak. It's not what you want to hear. That's an inflatable kayak fisherman. That's not good. Just cast my bait into a tree. Oh dear, got it out. And it just slammed into that tree now. Great. I'm going to go unhook it. It's in that tree. I'll catch you guys when I'm back fishing. All right, let's try and get this thing out. There we go. Unhook that guy. It's all the way down here. The smart thing would probably just be to cut the line and retie. I might do that. Oh gosh, we're going in. Hopefully there's no spiders on this. I already saw a giant spider on my kayak. All right, you know what? Yeah, we're just gonna cut this and take it. Gotta try standing up. Hopefully I don't fall down. As you guys saw in the last video, if you watch it, I tried to stand up and fell in. Happens quite a bit actually, but bad. Unless I lose my gear, which does happen sometimes. Then it's bad. All right, nothing here. I think I'm gonna move down that way, so I'll catch you guys when I'm down that way. Unless I might take a couple more casts around here, maybe catch some, but if not, I'll see you down there. This is gonna take a while. All right, y'all. Made to the other side. Gonna work my way around these toolies, and I'm gonna try casting some lures along that wall. So, let's see what happens. Starting off with a wacky. Oh dear, terrible cast. Alrighty, well, just cast the wacky off, so we have two more. Okay. Here we go, not a bad cast. Alright, that's it. Enough wacky. Time to do some flipping. It looks really good for flipping over here. Oh dear. Terrible flip. Alright y'all, gonna try a couple casts with the spinnerbait. Oh shoot. Just unboxed this, better take that hook guard off. There we go, that would have been bad. If I would have got a fish to bite, wouldn't even be able to catch him because there's a hook guard on it. There we go. There we go. Fish on, baby. On this spinnerbait, not a big one. Oh wow. Yep, it's definitely not a big one. Man, y'all, well, the little guys really want to bite, but hey, fish is a fish. That's about a third of a pound, give or take. There he goes. Okay, well, let's keep on casting out. A perfect cast under there. I deserved that bite, y'all. Deserved it. But let's see. Maybe we can catch a bigger one. Okay. Cast right here. Oh, jeez. Oh shoot. Oh, do y'all see that? Oh, wow. Wow. Oh gosh. Bring me over here. That was a crazy run. Crazy eat too. Woo! I haven't really seen it yet, but it feels pretty good. It's hurting my rod. My other one just banging it against the wall. Yeah, that's a good one. Okay. Oh yeah. Not bad at all. Let's go ahead. It's good. 3 pound, a little over 3 probably. Hey, how about this? I'm gonna flip the camera around. But you get the gist. It's a pretty good one. Whoa, whoa, whoa. All right. Well, let's look at her. Let's get her release. Underwater release too. She's a good one. Well, y'all, let's keep casting. I mean, there's the first big one of the day. So, see if we can catch a couple more. That was cool. I felt something. I yanked it up, let it fall, and I felt him take it. Gave him a nice hook set. He took off running. See, there's another one over there. Brought me into the wall, scratching my rod up against the wall. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! There's another one. Oh gosh! Oh my gosh! Literally second cast at the same spot. It's on some wood. I feel it rubbing against some wood. Oh gosh! Come on, buddy, get out of there! There we go. He's out of the wood. He's out of the wood. Oh, it's a catty. It's a catty, y'all. I knew. I had a feeling it was a catty because he went for that wood. Whew. Oh man. Man, oh man. My rod has really been rubbing it. Alright, well, let's get this guy up. Man, oh man. Not a bad little guy. Remember, you guys don't remember, but a couple videos ago, I also caught a catfish. Literally same spot, but it was on a crankbait. This is on a chatterbait. I wonder if it's the same one. Yeah, this one's definitely bigger. Actually, maybe it is the same one. There he is. Ah, here we go. Come on. There we go. No, it might be the same one, y'all. I don't know. This one might be a little bigger. Alrighty. Not too shabby. Get a nice look at that back. spot a release again. Alright, that was pretty cool. Hey y'all, well that was pretty cool. Catfish on the chatterbait. Let's go cast the same spot. See if we can pull 3 fish out of the same spot. That'd be cool. But first I'm gonna cast right here. Give this spot a little break. There we go. Good cast right here, y'all. There we go. Little guy, little guy. Oh, getting bigger. Maybe it's just swimming at me. No, it's a little guy. Definitely a little guy. Yep. A bite is a bite at the end of the day. There he is, y'all. Little bass. Get a quick release. Right, there she goes. Oh, fish on. Ooh, fish on. Ooh, that was unexpected, y'all. Oh, I can't see, but it seems decent. It's not bad, yeah. Come here, buddy. Alrighty. There we go. I was starting to lose hope there, y'all, but then this guy came along a bit. He's about a little over a pound, so better than what we've been catching, so not too bad. Get a quick release. There she goes. Whew. Oh wow, y'all. Oh yeah, this is a good one. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. That's a good one, y'all. Oh yeah. I dropped that down on his head and he took off with it. I saw my line running. I set the hook. Oh shoot. Dang, he's pulling drag. This is a really good fish. Oh yeah. Big mouth, Hunter. Big mouth. He's taking me under my ship. Oh my. Yeah, that's a good one. I really hope he doesn't come off. Just come here, buddy. Come on. Oh. Oh. That's definitely a PB. Oh. Look at how he ate that. Oh shoot. That's kind of... Oh, never mind. It's fine. It's at the top of his mouth. That's definitely a PB, y'all. Alright, let me get this out and show you guys. Man. That's definitely a PB, y'all. Wow. Wow, that's a long girl. That is a long girl. Ah, man. I need to start bringing a scale around with me. Wow, y'all. Oh, man. That is a really long fish. Man, oh, man. Alright, I'm gonna flip the camera around. You guys can get a better look. It's definitely no joke, as y'all can see. I mean, it's definitely no joke. My, oh my. Not the fattest one, but huge mouth. Long fish too. All right, I'm gonna snap a picture with my phone and then I'm gonna get a release. All right, see you guys in a sec. All right, y'all. One last look at her before the release. Woo! My goodness. Wow, that guy had some good chompers. Messed my thumb up a bit, but that was a big fish. I guess 5, definitely a little over 5. Man, oh man, y'all, I'm having a great time out here. Fishing most of them on the chatterbait. Only caught one on a spinnerbait, and then I caught one on a wacky rig that I didn't get on video, so I just released him. But man, she's getting her done. This chatterbait, actually, I might need to stop using this and frame it up because it's caught. It's broken a PB 3 times. This guy right here broke my PB 3 times, and it's also caught me a whole bunch of other fish. Almost lost it once, but I got it back. But man, oh man, y'all. Let's stand up for a bit. I need to stretch my legs. Hopefully I don't take a dip. I think I should be fine though. Gotten pretty good at standing up actually. Cast right back. Oh shoot. There we go, y'all. Whew, that was unexpected. Cast that in, my finger was still on the bail. Oh, it's not a big one. Oh, another tiny guy. But hey, fish is a fish. Oh, he's got the line wrapped around him. Well, y'all, a little guy. But hey, a little guy, still a fish. Ooh. Oh, getting a call, but you got me wet. All right, let's see if we can catch another one. Well, y'all, a little change of plans. I gotta go save brother Max. He's out, he's on the river and his rudder broke. He's got a paddle kayak and his rudder broke, so he needs my help. And I might fish a little out there, I don't know. We don't have much time left to fish. We gotta go home soon, but we'll see. So I'll catch you guys once I'm out helping Max and maybe if I catch fish. All right, see you guys in a bit. There it is, the big scary river. Just came out of our little cove. Now I need to go help Max. It's a little windier out here and that current's no joke, so hopefully once I get to Max, he can use his pedal kayak to pedal us back on home. Anyway, see you guys when I get to Meek. Oh shoot, y'all. First couple casts out on the river, I caught a fish. Hey, that's surprising. On a chatterbait too. They're really getting the chatterbait. Oh, what the? Oh, never mind. I thought it was a striper. Oh. There's brother Meek over there. He got a fish on. There's his kayak, broke it down. I'm gonna wait for him to get on his kayak, and while I wait, I'm gonna cast around, and then we're gonna leave. Oh, picked up Meek. I'm kind of like holding onto the back. It's not the best scenario here, but he's gonna bring us home, and I'm gonna do the outro here. So if you guys liked, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. This is gonna take a while though. It's gonna be hard to get home. Anyways, see you guys in the next video.